Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 ILX. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, power brakes, ambient lighting, braking assist. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, cruise control, trip computer, multifunction display, child safety locks, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 2 cargo area light. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
When purchasing an Acura certified pre-owned vehicle, you can expect the same uncompromising standards of a brand new Acura. The Acura dealership technicians ensure that every vehicle upholds the luxury and sophistication of the Acura name. Acura certified pre-owned. Once an Acura, always an Acura.